Hi everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this question, we are given that an organization holds an annual contest in which bird watchers at various locations around the country see how many different species of the birds they can spot. So there's a annual contest in which they will see that the number of species they can spot. All right, so here are the number of species counted for from the 20 sites. So the number of sites is given 20 with most species in 2013. In 2013, there were most of the species spotted. Complete part A and B. In the A part, we are asked mm, the